Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you install Facebook app on your iPhone. To install Facebook app onto your iPhone, you'll need to follow these steps. First thing, you have to open up the App Store, and once you have opened it up, on the search box type in Facebook and look for it. When you locate it, so click on the Get button and then authenticate with your Face ID or an Apple ID or password. After you've actually done it, so it's going to take a while, so just wait patiently. And once it's completely installed, you could then go ahead and start creating your account and all that. You also need to make sure that while installing the Facebook application, you'll require the iOS 13 or later, 13.4 or later. So you have to actually go ahead and look for it. If you are unable to find the particular application onto your device, that means it's not compatible with your device. So that is how you could actually go ahead and fix it. So I hope the video was helpful. Go ahead and install Facebook app. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.